how to download Fortnite on your iPad. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Fortnite on an iPad for free. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to play Fortnite on our iPad, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Safari browser, and you just want to navigate to Fortnite.com. Once you get to Fortnite.com, select download in the top right, and then all we need to do is scroll down and you'll see play Fortnite. Once you get to play Fortnite, you'll see all these different options to play Fortnite on your iPad. Now I recommend trying these, and if they don't work for you, try the other ones. But if you have an Amazon Prime account, Amazon Luna might work better for you. GeForce does work, it's just a little bit slower. Sometimes there's longer queues. If you already have a Microsoft account, maybe for Minecraft, or you own an Xbox, I recommend Xbox Cloud Gaming. It's very easy and works great, but you don't need to have any of those devices. You just need a Microsoft account and you can create one for free. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So go ahead and select Xbox Cloud Gaming, then just select Play Now. Once you get here, select Get Ready to Play. You'll then see this come up, and what we want to do is select the little share icon in the top right of the browser. Once you select that, scroll down and select Add to Home Screen. You can change the name of that to Fortnite or something, but you don't have to, and then select Add. So you should now see Xbox Cloud Gaming on your home screen. Go ahead and select that, and then just select Sign In. Now you just need to sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have one, select Create an Account. This is a free tutorial, and this is free to use. Once you sign in, it'll bring you here. What I recommend doing is selecting Done, and then it'll bring you back to Fortnite right here. Just select Sign In again, then just choose your account right here. It'll bring you back, and now the green icon over here will say Play. Go ahead and select Play, and then it will start launching Cloud Gaming. You'll see Fortnite start loading. So now I can select Battle Royale, and then load into a game. So once it loads, as you can see, I'll be able to play Fortnite on my iPad, and I can even use a controller. And check the description, I have several tutorials showing you how to pair any controller, including Xbox, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, with your iPad. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.